Crypto experts say that because of this new method and project, SHIB will be worth $10 by 2024. Hello, guys! We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin, the best place to learn about Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies every day. In today's movie, we'll talk about Shiba Inu's future, so pay attention because this is something you won't want to miss. If you are new to the channel, make sure to follow and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and can also enter our giveaway. Please keep in mind that this is not a movie about money. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that is focused on the community and is only second to Dogecoin in the memecoin space. It is the leading memecoin in the business. Shiba Inu has stock on some of the best cryptocurrency sites, such as Finance and Coinbase. Shigeyoshi Kusama, who works on the Shiba Inu game, has started a blog series to talk about when the Shibarium Layer 2 test will come out. The calls for Shibarium were brought back to life by a blog post from February 15th that spread through crypto Twitter. Analysts agree that the increased interest could lead to a price increase after the start of Shibarium. At least one SHIB is in the hands of at least 1.2 million people, which is a record. Shiba Inu is the first time that so many investors chose to diversify as much as they do now. Shibarium is just a second layer of things that are already well known as oddities. This will help SHIB, say the most careful researchers. In fact, the most knowledgeable people in the business say that the launch of Shibarium will help the memecoin grow a lot. The value is about to go up, but not because of what people call whales. But a small tweet reply by Kusama stated that a Shibarium video teaser would be released sometime during the week of analysts. This is even bigger news. Caldera's departure slowed down the release of Shibarium, but now that he's back on the team, people are more hopeful that it will be out soon. Kusama wrote on his blog on February 15 that the start of the Shibarium beta would depend on Diarrhea coming back to the turn. This was after he had lost his father. Satoshi Kusama also said that he had been attacked online in the past few weeks. But the marketing effort to get people excited about Shibarium has started. Blog posts and a video coming soon show that Shibarium is finally ready to be used. Kusama raised the SHIB army in his blog post by asking followers of the world religions to join the new Shibarium movement. The blog says that Shiba Inus can stand for a set of world beliefs that are in line with both Web3 and older religions. There are many reasons why the Shiba Inu community has high standards. One of the best sources for news about SHIB and Shibarium recently said that head developer Shigeyoshi Kusama gave a hint that the game will be released this week. Satoshi Kusama also just stopped letting people send messages on the main Shibarium Telegram channel. He also said that texts would start working again when all the Shibarium papers were ready. Even though not much else was said, these moves make it possible to think that the choice was made to get rid of noise and false information before the official launch of the beta version of the L2 network. The much talked about event could start the next wave of buying in SHIB. The most recent whale statistics showed that SHIB was the third most used smart contract among the top 2,000 whales in the last 24 hours. If the Shibarium beta start happens this week, more people might want to play SHIB. It could push SHIB into its next wave of buying. Since the strong rally at the beginning of the year ended in the first week of February, the bulls have been battling to get back in charge. SHIB, the 50-day moving average, just made a golden cross a few days ago. This is another sign that a strong rise could happen soon. The indicators, on the other hand, showed a bit of a bearish outlook. Notably, the supply and exchanges have gone down by a large amount in the last 4 weeks, while the supply outside of exchanges has gone up. In terms of how people feel now, the weighted mood has gone down a lot in the last few days. This happened at the same time that there was more pressure to sell this past week, which suggests that bears had the upper hand in the market as a whole. In the next few days, the exchange flows are likely to show a change in the weighted sentiment and a reserve result. In other words, if the start of Shibarium causes a lot of bullish demand, outflows are likely to go up. Most people agree that Shibarium will make the Shiba Inu environment more useful, which will lead to more organic demand. But since the start is still days away, this is still just a thought experiment. Shiba Inus are said to be able to overcome quick problems, like when whales come into SHIB waters and cause high tides. The rise in the number of packages being sent out through the various EMA is a sign of a big move. Bulls are still going strong and have stopped near the important 50% fib level. The token is also doing very well above its important moving averages. Shiba token has pretty bullish strings, and buyers are acting in a straight line. Price movement shows that the bulls are trying to break through the neckline of the flag pattern. Also, the unit wants to get out of the supply zone of 1500 cents as soon as possible. When the token was in the correction phase a few weeks ago, bulls made a base near 800 cents and formed a double bottom pattern. This was the next step. Then, the buyers added prices from the demand zone, and over the last 20 trading sessions on the 4-hour chart, the price went up by 30%. Shiba was trading inside a rising parallel range on February 20, making higher highs and lows. Since the beginning of 2023, the price has been slowly going up, which is a good sign for buyers for the next few months. Shiba token is about to make a move that many people have been waiting for if it moves above the 1500 cents mark in the next few sessions. The Bollinger Band is now coming closer together, and the upper end will probably be broken. The token also wants to go back to the previous high of 1800 cents. Last year, the price of the token moved in a small range. The bears try to break the bull's strength by pushing it back to the zone of support. Shiba token price wants to retake the previous highs by filling in the gaps. This week, the price of the token went up by 15%, making buyers happy. Also, the huge increase in volume this week shows that the token is ready for a big move in a unique way. Shiba Inu can now be used to pay tuition at the Canadian University in Dubai. Shiba Inu is one of the cryptocurrencies that the Canadian University has chosen to accept. This comes after Canadian University, Dubai, and Binance said they would work together on Twitter. The goal is to support borderless and contactless crypto payments. Canadian University Dubai is one of the best schools in the area, so this is a big step for Shiba Inu. After this step up, Shiba Inu owners can sign up for any program they want. They can pay their fees with the money they have from their Shiba Inus. As a new week begins, crypto whales are out in full force, trading a whopping $282.5 million in XRP and Polygon. In the last 36 hours, a number of large trades were found by the crypto address tracker Whale Alert. Whales have moved XRP both to and from Bitstamp and Bitso, which are both cryptocurrency markets. According to new data from Whale Stats, Polygon now has the 5th most crypto assets out of the 5,000 largest Ethereum whales on record. Ethereum, FUSD Coin, USC, Tether, USC, and Shiba Inu are the top 4. At the time of this writing, 1 XRP is worth 39 cents, which is 0.5% less than it was 24 hours ago. Medox is at $1.49, down 0.9%. Guys, that's all the news we have for you today. How do you feel about Shiba Inu? Join in and let us know what you think in the